I just spoke to Ivany.
Again?
She just called me. Um, so with 2.5 people over here, she said I'm supposed to advise y'all that she's still in custody.
Breaking news, rebroadcast. I feel like Cliff Hughes. Labour right never live in the election now, PMP. I have to withdraw that post earlier. Meaning, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry, I make a false allegation. I call the election too soon. Ivany is not out as yet. She's still in the process. I have to retake back that statement. Ivany is still in process. I apologize for that. But anyway, I apologize for that false statement.
I don't understand the situation. She cannot come live right now, so please understand the situation. She have another court hearing coming up. She cannot come live just yet. Okay? That's all I will say.
Comment. Hold on, darling. One little thing. I'm asking all on. People are comment. I'm asking a question. I'm not a hypocrite. I'm a pussy hole. I'm just extra. I'm just too much. I'm not cussing, you know. I strongly believe we've been misled.
You was.
Ivany, even if you're out and you listen, I do not want you to get me wrong. Don't want you to get me wrong, you know. All we're asking for, you know, is the people really do care, even though you know you have people out there hypocrite. All we're really looking for is to say that you're out. We don't expect to hear anything else, that you're out. Now the reason why we're there as a chat tonight, if you're out, because a circulation of saying Monday. We do not want to hear Monday. So our elaboration right now is like we are demonstrating. We feel a way that it has to roll over to Monday. Nobody right here, so tonight don't want to hear Monday.
A few moments later.
I just spoke to Ivany.
Again?
She just called me. So with 2.5 people over here, she said I'm supposed to advise y'all that she's still in custody. She get bail and everything, but immigration hold on to her to come and interview her. So they're waiting on an ICE officer to come interview her.
Let me interrupt you. Then how you get so much phone call?
You want me show you my screen? You want me show you my
screen? Take time with me. I have to answer. I have to ask the question to people. Let me know. So, are the police call you?
No, Ivany called me.
All right, I rest my case. Continue.
I can't even go into the number because me a screenshot something because I don't feel like you're lying me. I tell.
No, me not say I get. Me I want if Jesus call you to you get only by important phone call though.
All right. Are you serious?
Mama come with receipt today. Oh no, don't play around, you know.
Check on the time.
Take away number now. Take away number. But that take away number now. All right, but that look like a Jamaican number still.
RT. So people, man, I need for light too, no?
A Georgia number, man, RT, a 678.
All right, so the bottom line is.
She said I'm supposed to let y'all know.
Okay, we work with that. We calm down.
That she's waiting for ICE to come and interview her. But she banned out and everything, so that is the case.
Sorry, before you go, is there a lawyer or not as yet?
The lawyer went to court today, RT. The lawyer went to court today.
Okay, so we don't need to ask about the lawyer again, right?
Right, the lawyer was paid. I just cannot show the retainer because
no, we don't need that.
We don't need that.
We don't need that.
Okay.
We don't need that. Ivany is the receipt when she comes.
I sent the money to the lawyer from last night.
All right, so question. So you are just saying the ultimate thing. So you look like you said them the people why she don't leave yet.
Right. She has to wait until ICE come and interview her.
So when we want to know, Taya, when we did our try for work early, after try to speed up That wasn't the issue. Like, I know the no lateness makes you not come out. That was that.
The money pay. You see when I called you and tell you don't collect no more money. Ivany bond money paid already.
Excuse me, Taya. Good night. I just have a question. Like, them have immigration to question her, right? Do you contact her lawyer and tell her lawyer that?
Yes, everybody's aware.
That's all I want to know. Thanks.
All right. So question now. Where the Christian people am they hide? Me want to say something, please. Give me that
Don't
time.
show I come kiss
Where the
people
people
where
where they
minus
are
plus my
Christian,
ass.
where
Me
not
for lie,
supposed to
bitch.
there, where you are Christian, but you are listening, yeah, they are hide. All the Christian people them push out on themselves. Let me see the me, because we're asking you to
And
do something for us.
You're calling me?
RT
Not
and
yet,
Blinger. RT and Blinger. I'm going to text you guys something that she also said to tell you, Cheese and Blinger, okay? RT, Cheese and Blinger. Okay?
It come me like, yeah, boss to me, no, me like that. This is what I said to you now.
No,
before
she said
you-
I'm supposed to tell you all three.
Yeah, all right, good. All right, me go say something. I want the question to ask them to say me again. I want me to say again.
Want me to text you on RT?
Inbox. That's the inbox, yeah. I want me to say two no say me for again. You remember me now? What me did?
Taya, don't come down. Can I say something to you?
Sure.
All right, Taya, please. I was in the situation that you were in about 2023. Just relax yourself and know what you're going through right now. Just relax yourself. Honestly, I have somebody that went to the situation and decide that it's after the criminal case done, them I go tell you say, oh, I used to come interview. I used to come interview nobody.
Yeah, exactly.
I used to pick them up, I used to come pick her up. So in the meantime, you're there tired. Just hold it forth. In the meantime, get an immigration lawyer. If you already have an immigration lawyer, get the immigration lawyer on the work. In the process of doing that, it's either they might give her a day if you come, it's either she get a bond hearing or whatever asylum case is, they will work on the asylum. In the process of doing that, the next thing, all I need to quiet, in order for her, for her status to be okay, she have to marry a US citizen. The lawyer will tell her all of that. So just relax yourself, baby. Me know say it go.
No man, that would be a different case because if she already in a immigration
Asylum,
process, that's gonna be a
Listen, me I tell you no man. Listen to me I tell you no. Me I tell you half a facts because guess what? The relative of me have right two is in a asylum case, but the lawyer on the side we tell us say you don't have to wait for an asylum case to come up.
Delicious. The only person can help Ivany is somebody in the U.S. Army. Nobody else can.
Yes. So me mean that for true.
Please, no regular person can help her.
No regular person.
We're tired. And Toya, if you're hearing,
yes, true.
tell
Miss
her do not sign any papers I give her without her.
Yeah, none at all. Yes, because they will give her the paper for voluntary deportation. They will give her the paper for voluntary without a lawyer.
Do not sign any paper ICE give her without her lawyer. ICE is not coming to interview her.
ICE now come to be a friend with her. What the case that she had before was a criminal, is a county case. So now when to turn over to ICE, it is federal, and federal is above every other else. All different ball game.
She right, Toya.
All right,
Toya.
I'm listening.
Toya, whatever Ivany do, she do not sign nothing because they will trick her into signing her rights away.
That's true. Good night, all.
All right, guys, could you please mute for a minute? Toya, whatever.
No, but if she have a lawyer, the lawyer go.
No, I'm saying without the presence of her lawyer. Sometimes they'll come there and try to speak to you without your lawyer. Whatever Ivany do, she do not sign nothing and she ask for her lawyer. She have rights. Not because she in ICE custody, she still have rights.
She's not in ICE custody yet.
Listen, girl, ICE coming to pick her up. She ain't reached there yet because
Bright and
ICE
early
don't work on the
tomorrow.
weekend.
Bright and early, they do it on
But
the
they're coming to
weekend.
pick her up. They won't work on the weekend, but right now she's in ICE custody. Not because she's still in county.
Yes.
That's
Because
in custody.
TikTok client, the paper was processed. If the paper was processed before 4 o'clock and she's out for 48 hours, ICE can't pick her up.
Yes.
But once they have in the all-in area, they're there and then ICE is going to pick her up.
Because on the
My
system,
question is,
her bond is revoked. On the system now, where it had said total bond, there's 0 there now. Earlier it was saying 2100. Now it's saying 0. That means her bond is revoked. So y'all have to play it wise.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Is the lawyer that you get for Ivany is just a criminal lawyer or a criminal and immigration lawyer in one?
Criminal.
No, Toya, that's the mistake y'all made. That's the mistake y'all made.
No, that is not a mistake, man. All she have to do, I just let the immigration lawyer take over from.
It'll be nice.
It'll be better because
just listen to me for a second, ladies. All she have to do, if it hand over to immigration, all she have.
But that's a different money you have to pay.
Work.
That's a different money.
That's a different money.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The money have to pay same because the lawyer ain't going to do it free.
No, it would have been cheaper if she had gone ahead.
Yeah, but ladies, it's already gone already. That already.
But we would never
already.
know she would have been picked up by ICE.
But Toya, you see, when you're undocumented, that's what everybody was trying to tell you yesterday, but y'all was getting very defensive. Once you're undocumented in a red state, they don't turn you over to immigration. It's not a if.
She already have her immigration lawyer, guys.
But Toya, she have an ICE immigration lawyer. She need a paid lawyer now. A lawyer that gonna have some big bucks who can say, listen, she need to go home and be with her family.
Money talk and money will fix anything.
Exactly.
No problem, please.
Because
just
if
get
she's
a lawyer,
still there,
and at the end of the day, it's nothing to worry about because the judge has the final say. And some of
I
them
was
are
telling
very
y'all this yesterday. You can't get no regular lawyer because the moment she get bailed today, if she had a criminal immigration, they're gonna say, listen, y'all gotta get her out of here now before ICE come and pick her up. She's picked up by ICE. Her bond is revoked. Y'all gotta get a separate bond now, you know. Immigration bond is a different bond.
Yeah, but what I'm saying,
I'm a sister, you this attack?
What I'm saying, right?
Be quiet.
What I'm saying.
I'll be coming down.
All right,
in the box talking. I'm coming down.
It's a different bond, Toya. It's a different bond. Immigration bond is a different bond. That's how you want. That's why you remember when World Dog was saying, I don't know if y'all remember with the Willie situation, it was the same thing World Dog was saying. They need one lawyer to handle everything. That's why Willie is still in custody because he only had a criminal lawyer.
Yeah, criminal lawyer doesn't take over from immigration lawyer. You have to get two separate.
Or have the same one that practices both.
You have lawyers that practice both.
This is both. Yes.
TikTok lawyer. What I am saying, it already gone already. Them already paid the criminal lawyer. So what them have to do, I just move towards the immigration lawyer.
Yes, move with speed.
Even though she have an immigration lawyer already, it's a different case. So it won't cost new money. That's all I am saying.
Y'all gonna need new money.
People.
Yeah.
People. What
Go ahead.
say?
Yo, may I comment? Them people
we go through the process that we Ivany go through. You see, once the bail band pay, once the bail band pay, them a go come pick him up early in the morning. Because they cannot hold him over I think 24 hours, 72 hours. So anytime the bail band pay, them a come pick him up. Them put a hold on him so nobody couldn't come out. Them hold him. So when the bail band pay, them a go come pick him up. Them done that the same thing to me.
Okay.
And sometimes let me tell you this, the one liar we do the both things. Some of them don't know nothing. You hear? Make
No,
me
but you
tell you
can
that.
get
Let me go through
experience
it.
one. No, me understand what you say. You're right. But
Some of them tell us that them know about immigration. Them only can file paperwork. Them don't know the
no, but a
books.
criminal
So,
immigration lawyer
They
and a
don't
regular
know
one
the
is
books.
different.
Enough of them don't know the
That is true.
books.
That
And
is
Yeah.
true.
court
That's
liar,
the
Ivan,
first
it's
immigration court
starting
different though.
point.
liar
They have
is the biggest liar. I mean, I
different
ask all this,
category
me I
of
tell you.
lawyer.
Some of them only can file paperwork. They don't know the court
Yeah, that
books.
is true. But
You hear?
a
Me can
criminal,
tell Vani because me
yeah.
went in the process.
You're right. You're right. You're not saying nothing
Okay.
wrong. You're right.
So, all you know have to do, Vani go there so Vani can apply for bail.
Yeah, she
But
can
And
get
you
a
know, say, me not like me feel bad. I feel bad. Why? I was saying to myself, thank God, good girl out. What a good mission.
Yes, me understand
Me feel
because
proud.
me feel like me go watch Ivany come live tonight, come say something or give a little clippings or something.
Yeah. And that's what we are saying, but
Yeah,
if you understand, you know, we are a set of baga people.
yes.
That's what we do every day, baga. And we put baga aside and try help out.
Right.
We never want to put the baga into the airport. That is why Bling never carry our secret. But you know why me bust the little news where Bling get? Because Taya show some shaky sign like she not trust we. So when me release back, we come, remember now, you know, Bling has a sacrifice for her show if we don't put out the file where she get, and everybody know I mix up with her from Bling show. So we put it aside for don't bring it. But when Taya come with her shakiness now, me have to just unleash one little file where we have, because she make the file look like the file real, because now me feel she out the file and say no liar, no this, she no oh. Because right now, you know, me I tell you the truth, you know, me can show the screenshot now. It a tell we say, you know, that Ivany never ever come out till 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yes.
Be a confusion. Make it stay so. Alright, so we could continue the show. We can't talk about Ivany and say what we say. But I don't want nobody worry. The girl tell what we say. If we draw them out for them come tell we and them tell we and so forth. Now the bottom line, now me see why she never want to say no. I'm not here to confirm no negative, no. I'm not here to confirm nothing bad. I don't want to know why in the text message, me just a show confusion. That me come back come go no. Confusion. So me not say nothing.
I love that. RT, can you please let them know this platform, people watched it and go back to immigration. So you guys can also fuck her. Be careful of everything that you said. Like I said this morning, I've been through it. Be careful of everything that you guys said and stop bringing up the people. Stop bringing up our past. I'm talking the comment section. They scream record shit and send it over to immigration. Una helping sinking this girl and she's gonna come out. That's not how ICE work. They're gonna have a talk with her and she's gonna come out. Her child alone gonna hold her here in America. They don't just deport you like that. She did not kill anyone.
I feel better you come back and fix it. So the people them know who did it on my side. My message to you is work with Taya now. But Taya, we get a beating in the long run, not now. We receive it for another day. But we are work with Taya now.